Hello kids, good morning to all. Myself Harsha Rao, teacher of K2A. Today our subject is English. English is a very basic language and it's mandatory to speak in English. Nowadays it's very much important to speak in English at every place. And our topic is capital A to Z. To start English, basic is alphabets. So we will learn today alphabets. In alphabet mainly 26 letters are there from A to Z. We will learn them one by one. Let's learn A to Z in phonic sounds. So students, repeat it with me, see it and learn it through pictures. Start repeating with me. A for apple, A for ant, B for banana, B for ball, C for cake, C for cat, D for duck, D for dog, Listen. E for elephant, E for egg, Next, F for fish, F for frog, Next, G for grapes, G for goat, H for horse, H for hat, Next, I for igloo, I for ice cream, J for joker, J for jug, Next, K for kite, K for key, L for lion, L for lemon, Yay! What's next? M for monkey, M for mango, N for nose, N for nest, O for orange, O for owl, P for parrot, P for peacock, Next, Q for queen, Q for quail, R for rabbit, R for rose, S for snake, S for sun, T for tiger, T for tomato, Next, U for umbrella, U for unicorn, V for van, V for vase, W for watch, W for window, Next, X for Xmas tree, X for X-ray, X, Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra, Z for zip, So, students, I hope you all understand phonic sounds in oral session. Now we will start written session of capital A to Z in a proper way. So, let's start with me. Open your book, start writing with me. So, no mistake will be there. So, students, you can see this is your page. This is margin line, but we have to write on the right side of the margin. There are 4 lines. You can see first red line, 2 blue lines and then again red line. So, start writing with me on this right side of the margin. Okay, start from that red line. Start from here touch the blue line, slanting, start again, then sleeping. You have to touch these lines properly, so it should look proper. If you will not touch it, it will not look proper and it will look like this. So touch it in a proper way. So we have written here A. A for apple, A. Apple is very good for our health. Who likes to eat apple? Yes, it's very good. Apple is of red color. Now we will write letter B. So leave 2 finger space gap and start writing B with me. Standing, curve, then curve again. B for ball. B. Everyone is nowadays playing with ball. You are free at your home. Enjoy it. Next, leave 2 finger space. Like that you have to put on your notebook. Then write with me. C. C for cat. K. What cat says? Meow, meow. Say it with me. Yes. What comes after that? D. Leave 2 finger space like that on your notebook. Then write D. Standing. Then curve. D for dog. D. What dog used to say? Bow. E for elephant. First do standing line, sleeping, again sleeping, again sleeping. You have to write in this way. If you are leaving little bit space, you have to leave that space here also. It will look good. If you will write here and there, it will not look good. E for elephant, Elephant has a long trunk. Next, leave 2 finger space, then F. Standing, sleeping, again sleeping. F for fish, F for fish, Fish, where you see fish? Inside water. Where you see fish? Inside water. Next, leave 2 finger space, then write G. G for grapes, G for grapes, Grapes is a fruit. Who likes to eat? Yes, it's good. Next, leave 2 finger space, then H. H for horse, H for horse, I for ice cream, E. Start writing with me. Leave little bit space. Standing line, then sleeping, again sleeping on blue line. It should not be go on red line. It should be proper on red and third one line, blue line. Okay. I for ice cream, E. Who likes to eat ice cream? Yay, me too. It's good in summer. Next, leave 2 finger space, then J for jug. Sleeping, then standing, then curve. J for jug. In jug, what is there? Your mama will serve water, sometimes juice when we are all together. Leave 2 finger space, then write K. Standing, slanting. K for kite. K. Who flies kite? Children, are you interested? Yes. Next, leave 2 finger space, then L. Standing, again sleeping. L for lion. Lion. Road. Next, M for mango. Standing, slanting, again slanting, then standing. M for mango. Mango. Nowadays, it's season of mango. Mango is the king of fruits and it is sweet in taste. Next, leave 2 finger space. Standing, slanting, again standing. What's this? And for Nose. N. All of you show me your nose. Yes, it's there. Next, leave 2 finger space, then write O. Circle. You have to make circle starting from red line, going through blue lines. Okay. O for orange. Next, leave 2 finger space in that line. Standing curve. P for pencil. P. All of you have pencil in your hand like this. You have? All of you show me your pencil. Yeah. P for pencil. P. Next line. What will come after P? Yes, Q. Circle. Then little bit small slanting line. What is this? Q. Q for queen. What is this? Q. Q for queen. Qu. Next, leave 2 finger space, then write standing, curve, and then slanting. R for rabbit. R. Repeat with me. R for rabbit. R. Next, leave 2 finger space, then write curve, then again from blue line to blue line curve. S for sun. S. S for sun. S. Where do you see sun? Yes, in the sky. Sun is of yellow in color. Next, leave 2 finger space, then sleeping, big, standing. It should not go on red line. It should be on blue line. Okay. T for tiger. T for tiger. Next, in this line only, start from red line, going to blue line, then again curve, come up to red line. U for umbrella. When we use umbrella at home or outside? When it rains. When it rains. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Next, leave 2 finger space, slanting, again slanting to red line. Okay. V for anybody? V for what is this? V for van. V for van. Next, leave 2 finger space, start writing with me. From red line, slanting to blue line. Again go up to red line. Come down on blue line and go up again on red line. It's like 2V you have written combined. Okay. What's this? W for? What's this? Anybody? Yes. W for watch. W for watch. Leave 2 finger space, then write X. Slanting. Again slanting. Listen. Here it should be combined on blue line, not upstairs like this or like that. You have to write it proper on blue line. Okay. What's this? X for Xmas tree. X. X for Xmas tree. Next, write on this line. Write red line to blue line, small slanting line. Then again big. Start from red line to second blue line. Okay. Like this you have to write. Y for yak. Y. Repeat with me. Y for yak. Y. Next, leave 2 finger space, then write on red line. Start with me like this. Small sleeping line, then to second blue line, slanting line, and then again small sleeping line. What's this? What we have written here? Z for zoo. Z. What's zoo? Anybody? Anybody has gone to zoo to see animals? Yes. It's a place where animals are there, they are living there, and we especially went there to see them. Students, I hope all of you have understood capital A to Z. Now do practice of this at your home in proper 4 lines. Be safe at your home and eat healthy. Bye kids, have a nice day.